Romans chapter 1 verse 19 to 20. Since what may be known about God is plain to them, because God has made it plain to them. For since the creation of the world, God's invisible qualities, His eternal power and divine nature, have been clearly seen, being understood from what has been made, so that people are without excuse. Magandang umaga o gabi man kung ano oras niyo man pinapanood ito. Maligayang araw po sa inyo. Ako po si Elron Janem Lumbang at ito ang aking daily devotion para sa araw na ito. Ang tatalakayin natin pong paksa ay tungkol sa makikilala pa ba natin ang Diyos kung walang Bible? At ano ang concept ng philosophical theology? Kaya agad natin simulan. Ang philosophical theology, ito po yung pag-aaral na gamit ang human reasoning po, ang pag-iisip ng isang tao, na explain na pag-aaralan natin ang Panginoon at yung mga attributes niya. So, observing, no, through human tools, the logic, human reasoning, and observation of the universe. So we ask deep questions, no, like the nature of time, existence, morality, and causality. It seeks to show how these lead to a rational belief in God. So yung mga ginagamit nating science, yung mga tools natin na ginagamit pang measure, pang analyze, pang observe. Ito po yung mga bagay na ginagamit natin upang magkaroon ng rational, no, na conclusion na nadadala tayo sa pag-iisip at paniniwala na meron talagang Diyos, meron tagalikha. Example, halimbawa, ang pinapakita dito na, or gusto kong pakita sa inyo, yung halimbawa ng DNA. Masyadong specific at kung sakali mang nagkaroon ng problema, possible, mataas yung possibility at chance na magkaroon kayo ng disabilities, abnormalities, at DNA is so specific and so long and so hard to calculate na there has to be a creator behind it. It's too specific. The calculation of life cannot be measured, cannot be understood currently by humans, no? And maybe never even understood until the end. And sabihin natin, mga law of gravity, law of motion, physics, lahat ito ay tinuturo po ito na meron tagalikha. It is impossible that all these things are too specific na nangyayari, na bawal sabihin na wala tayong ma-attribute na may gumawa, no? We cannot assume no one created it kasi everything is too perfect, too specific, too sustained, stable, no? At sa ganun, makita natin na God is the sustainer, God's the provider. And moving on back to the point, that is philosophical, while reason is a gift from God, it is limited and must submit to Scripture. So, ang pag-iisip ng tao ay limitado at limited. So, mga bagay na hindi sakop, di kayang ipaliwanag ng science, umaasa na lang tayo sa Scripture upang liwanagan tayo doon. Sabihin natin na how is the earth 7 billion years old, ngunit sanabi sa Scripture created in 7 days, no? So, we go to Scripture. So, pinakaunang batayan natin upang tama yung magiging interpretation natin, no? Sunod, philosophical theology can support faith, but it can't replace divine revelation. So, as well as nga kanina, can support faith. Ginagamit po ito bilang batayan na pagsuporta ng ebidensya na meron talagang tagapagligtas, meron talagang Panginoon, meron talagang Diyos. But it can't replace divine revelation. Sabihin natin mga prophecies, ibang mga divine revelation na paano, like kung totoo nga ba yung flood na sinakop yung mundo, kung meron talagang Sodom and Gomorrah, no? So, in that sense, we're not able to prove it kasi hindi naman tayo nakakabalik sa panahon na iyon specifically. Meron man carbon dating, hindi naman tayo nakakabalik sa panahon na iyon para ma-witness natin. So, we base on Scripture for those types of things. And it helps us see that faith is not blind, that the God of the Bible is both rational, credible, and gloriously transcendent. Dumako muna tayo agad sa ating mga teachings na all creations bear God's fingerprints. Pangalawa, creation gives us a glimpse of who God is. And we can truly know God only through the Bible. So, all creation bears God's fingerprints. Lahat na ng nalikha, meron po itong intention, meron po itong purpose, kung saan nakikita natin na all creation bears God's fingerprints, beauty, specificness, uniqueness, na they are made perfectly functional in the way that they are meant to be. No, even ecosystems, even the diversity of wildlife, plants, animals, all of these have fingerprints of God. And these creations, since they have the fingerprints of God, they give us a glimpse of who God is. no? Gravity pa lang, the distance of the sun to the earth, the rotation of the earth. So, give us a glimpse of who God is, a sustainer, a creator, all-powerful, sovereign, no? So, nakikita natin na tagapag-alaga siya, na tagapagligtas, na siya yung tagapaglikha, lahat. So, creation gives us a glimpse of who God is. But, only the Bible is the way where we can truly know God, no? Kasi yun yung salita niya at saan galing salita, sa pag-iisip. So, the mind of God, the will of God, is in text. And we can only truly know God through the Bible. Binabasa natin when we have devotion, when we meditate on it. Kaya ayun lamang. Salamat po sa pakikinig at mabuhay.